Aerostat registered PC2 benchtop blower with built-in emitter point cleaner, compact and lightweight. The Aerostat PC2 air ionizing blower offers outstanding charge neutralization for targeted mini environments and can be easily mounted inside process tools. Built with sufficient air velocity to provide static control up to 4 feet across a benchtop work surface. The Aerostat PC eliminates static charges on a flat benchtop. Key features include discharge time of less than 2.0 seconds at 1 foot. Weight-saving design. Easy to use, built-in emitter cleaner. Lightweight, compact and quiet for unobtrusive use. Plus or minus 10 V self-balancing, micropulse technology. Local alarm LEDs, facility monitoring system, FMS, connection and optional audible alarm.